Cerveza?
That's perfecto. What is the other called?
Más cerveza?
Another thing we did while I was in Oaxaca was cooking. Cooking the local food with a local chef. So we visited Chef Mimi of Maiz Cocina. We all had our duties that we did while we were there cooking. We made soup with a lot of vegetables, squash, corn. We also made, we also added chapil, which added a lot of flavoring to the soup. We also made rice, and one of the ladies that came with us cooked the rice. But I was just so shocked because I thought it was just like boiled rice and water. But there were other things that were added to the rice, and now I know that when someone tells me to cook rice, I need to specify what kind of method they want me to cook the rice with. We made our mole, and we also made tortilla and chicken that we used to eat the mole and the rice. One thing I love about Chef Mimi is just how warm she is. Like, she's one of those people that even if she's speaking Spanish to you, at a certain point you start understanding what she's saying, even when you're not a Spanish language speaker. So at a certain point, our guide Paco just stopped translating because we were just understanding her. It just flowed, and she's just one of those warm people that has mastered how to be warm and also be strict at the same time without it being feeling cold. You love her and you also respect her at the same time, and I just thought that was just so lovely about her.
The flavor is individually kind of subtle,
Yeah,
except for the onion and the garlic maybe a little, but they had sweetness too.
yeah. It's kind of like savory.
Yeah.
But
And
this,
I mean, and the garlic is whole.
yeah, but it's going to have a very, yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, yes. Que bella soup. Too bad the men are going to spoil it. I tried to get everyone to do something. I'm really glad if I did or not.
Yeah, but it's better that we do it slow in this case with the bread because if it's too hot, burn.
Yes, voltea Lucy.
Flip it.
Flip it. Okay.
The kind of the edge gets changed color a little bit. That's the moment that you know how you can flip it.
Flip it. Okay.
Baby. Ponte tu cubeta, amigo, porque la
Oh no.
No, it's just practice. It's not easy, you know. Most of the times, women the one that have like kind of like that. I don't know, they're sensible to that.
Flip it.
It's not easy.
Flip it. In the medio, in the medio. In the medio, Lucy.
You know, like for instance,
In the middle?
in the city,
Medio.
women are the ones that are selling and making the tamales at that night. Men are the ones that are.
This is me and another lady from the group grinding some of the ingredients for the mole on the metate grinding stone. Another thing I learned is that when you're flipping the tortilla, once you start making it, don't go and wash your hand and then come back and continue. Because for some reason, no matter how much you dry your hand, the moisture finds its way into the tortilla, into the making process, and then the dough doesn't rise uniformly. There will be some parts that will rise, the parts that you didn't touch with the wet hand, and then the parts that you touched with the wet hand will just not rise. They will just be flat to the bread of the tortilla. That was something I learned. I didn't know that before. All in all, it was just such a great experience. We all had fun, and I think of those recipes every once in a while. And one of these days, I will gather ingredients and make that soup. It's such a nice way to incorporate a vegetarian dish to my day.
Cerveza.
That's perfect. What is the other one?
Más cerveza.